loves. So let's get on to the questions. But before we get on to the questions, you know, let's make a drink before we do that. And today's drink, I have a mood for a dirty martini. You see ice into my glass. I like to put ice to chill it. Now we're gonna pour this ice. I chill my martini glass. Put the ice in there and the glass is chilled. Measurements will be in the description box down below. This is Tara's version of a dirty martini. This is the vermouth. Okay. And this is vodka. I put it in this bottle because I'm not getting paid for the vodka. That's 2 ounces. Now you've seen me put this top on here. Poor Tara. I like to put a little bit of olive juice. That's what make it Tara's dirty martini. Then we take, some people like this stirred, I like my shaken. But before we shake it, let's put my olives, crushed olives at the bottom. And then you have olives. Now let's shake. Shake it until that thing get cold. And that's your dirty martini. Tara's version of a dirty martini. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Ooh, that's good. Now, let's get into the Q&A. Okay, my loves, let's get into these questions. I'm going to read them off of the Instagram as they come in. Now, let's get into the first one. We're not going to do numbers because there's too many to say. 1 and 2 and 3 for watching. Stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 24, a day before Christmas. Cheers.